Hello and welcome. Today, we will learn beginner English conversations for everyday life. Please listen carefully and repeat each sentence with me. We will speak very slowly so you can understand every word. There will be a fun quiz to help you remember what we have learned. If you enjoy this lesson, please like this video and subscribe for more slow English lessons. Now, let's begin. I boil the water. I boil the water. I peel the potato. I peel the potato. I crack an egg. I crack an egg. I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I blend the smoothie. I blend the smoothie. I air fry the salmon. I air fry the salmon. I steam the broccoli. I steam the broccoli. I bake the cookies. I bake the cookies. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I toss the salad. I toss the salad. I fry the noodles. I fry the noodles. I slice the apple. I slice the apple. I pour the juice. I pour the juice. I brew some coffee. I brew some coffee. I bake a cake. I bake a cake. I scrub the pan. I scrub the pan. I empty the bin. I empty the bin. I refill the rice container. I refill the rice container. I reheat the food. I reheat the food. I clean the stovetop. I clean the stovetop.
This is a quick quiz. Let's review what we learned. choose the correct answer. Good luck!
I crack an egg. I crack an egg.
I toast the bread. I toast the bread.
I slice the apple. I slice the apple. I bake the cookies. I bake the cookies. I scrub the pan. I scrub the pan.
That's the end of the quiz. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these beginner English learning videos.